Everyone, and welcome aboard to the live stream. It's an honor. It's an honor as always. My name is Oscar Ramos, and in this live, oh Lord, oh, if there was a live that I would be excited, I think it's the one tonight. Everybody, welcome aboard. I'm saying hi to you from Texas. I'm very excited. I got my army. Where is it? Here we go. My army shirt because we have a lot of army here in the chat. This is a crypto general conversation. This is my crypto Sundays and Tuesdays tonight, 7:30 around ish. And what I can tell you is I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Let me see the audio right here. Audio is looking fantastic. And well, get comfy. Get comfy. Váyanse acomodando a todos mis amigos. Get comfy because boy, oh boy, I'm Token is doing well. Finally. Like, I was like, can you give me something? I'm talking for the like, can you give me something? And at this time, we see I'm Token. Hit the like for Oscar, guys. Thank you, Keith. We have I'm Token coming down from the 71st to the 68 at 0.55053. So yes, honestly, guys, that's really good. We also, of course, have Jasmy shredding all things right now. It's doing fantastic on Coinbase right here on the top at 29 cents. I'm so glad about this one at 5 cents. I kind of like traded this one just a bit. It's insane. And of course, Ethereum, bam, Ethereum 4,500, Bitcoin 64,000. Oh man, what are we gonna do tonight? What are we gonna do tonight? But anyway, guys, welcome aboard. Very excited to have you all here. And as always, if you wanna support the channel, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I'm gonna see you right here, and I'm gonna give you a shout out and turn on those notification bells, guys. Welcome aboard. Let me say hi to my community right now. We have the last time, my man. Always glad to have you. Snoop, Icario, Tyler. Rescue Ready Roadsides. How you doing? The laggy man. When is Shiba gonna make me a millionaire? That is the greatest question of all. I'll tell you later. El audio se escucha. Alrighty, thank you so very much. That's why I invest good in good quality audio. Well, guys, get comfy. We're gonna be here for a while, and honestly, it's gonna be a good one. We're gonna be talking about Shiba Inu, AM token, and much more. So let's go ahead and get started. I already have my positions, and this is not gonna be a Shiba Inu only video, but I have to address something pretty important when it comes to Shiba Inu. So I want everybody to listen clearly, okay? Arizona in the house, that is nice. Guys, honestly, like I said earlier today in my earlier live stream, I've said, yeah. Crypto nice.
Jasmy to the moon. Rocket.
Nice. Crypto nice. I added the text to speech, so whatever you guys donate and type is gonna sound. Thank you, Crypto nice. Appreciate it a lot. Yeah, Jasmy is doing a number on us. So I'm pretty happy. If you who are watching are a beginner, well, you are in the right place. You have pinned on top of the chat my link to a Patreon page. That is my formal Discord server. So if you want to talk to me one-on-one and join my private and exclusive community, go ahead and join us. Thank you so very much. Okay, guys. I'm going to start very quickly on Shiba Inu, then I'm going to actually spend some time on AM token, and I'll go back to Shiba just to kind of clear the air on a couple of things. But what I want to tell you right now, everyone, is, oh boy, like I said earlier today, I hope Kraken is not playing around with the Shiba Inu army. And man, I got to tell you what happened today. Guys, man, this is what happened. Kraken said, of course, as we all know, this guy, I guess that person, that user tweeted to Kraken, maybe asking to list Shiba Inu. Then they replied, said if we get 2,000 likes, we will list SHIB tomorrow. This happened yesterday, November 1st. But he also for today, right? But he doesn't think we can do it. And well, what happened is that they tweeted just after I finished my live today 2 hours ago, and Kraken is saying now, Shiba Army, we've heard you loud and clear, loud and clear. Community is an important part of our considerations for all listings, and you have clearly shown your support, which sounds pretty insane because if you are living under a rock, you are not aware that the Shiba Inu army is the greatest in the last in the month of October. Like, there hasn't been a community such as powerful and motivated as the Shiba Inu army this month, like the last month, October. And they say there's more work for us to do as we move through our listing review process. So that means that they now know Shiba Inu is wanted by the community. Now has to go through their inspection process, which I mean has to be a yes. And well, how would you approach that? Well, here it is. I have a bookmark because that is pretty much saying you guys took advantage of the Shiba Inu army because you promised it today. You understand? Just like Tesla, Robinhood, and CoinMarketCap, this is a random user, but I like what he said, so I want to share it with you guys. Just like Tesla, quick refresh all of a sudden on my computer. Just like Tesla, Robinhood, and CoinMarketCap, they're using SHIB community and Shiba Army for free publicity. Free publicity. No intention to list SHIB on their exchange or fix SHIB circulating supply issue. That goes to CoinMarketCap. So I wanted to bring this to you guys, right? Because and that's something I'm seeing more and more on Twitter. Specifically on Twitter, because Twitter is the place where a lot of investors, crypto investors, go to kind of find news. It doesn't happen on Facebook, doesn't happen on LinkedIn, doesn't happen on what do you call it, Instagram. No, it happens on Twitter. So this person, it is correct. I will agree with what he's saying. And I mean, if I go to Kraken Exchange and you go to that specific post and you go through the comments, it gets pretty hot. So take a look at this. You said 2 lakhs you list today. Why wouldn't you have done that already? The review process probably making that tweet. Of course, like, you don't consider that the Shiba Army is millions of people across the globe, because my lives get filled up with people from all over when I do the Shiba live. So I mean, everybody's watching. So look at this one. Don't tweet false promises. It's a future really doesn't give any investors confidence in your platform, right? So, and I said that the first time I've heard about this Kraken announcement, it makes total sense to me. Of course, more people kind of like, in a way, demanding Kraken. But I mean, at the end of the day, I wanted to show you this one because, of course, at this point, and even today, guys, because this happened. I want you to see what happened in real time, because this is insane. And this is the beauty of cryptocurrencies, guys. Almost 100 people watching. Everybody, welcome aboard to the live. My name is Oscar Ramos. A pleasure and an honor to have you here. The chat is yours, everyone. The chat is yours. And thank you so very much. Welcome aboard. So you see this pump all the way to the moon? Guess what happened during this pump? This is 4 p.m., 16 hours. Let me go back to the post from Kraken. This is insane. So Kraken retweeted 2 hours ago. What time is it? It's 7:27 p.m. or so. So immediately when Kraken responded to their previous post on Twitter, that's when we see the pump going all the way to the third Fibonacci here at 4073 and immediately sells off. You see? So even the private institutions and exchanges are manipulating Shiba Inu. You see, guys? So, well, I wanted to show you that before I started with token. I wanted to show you that just for you to have an idea. That's how I ended my live stream earlier today. So to all the Shiba Army, there you guys have it. My man, what a good one. What a good one. So let's go ahead and get all those likes up, everyone, so YouTube does its job and start spreading this to more people. Spencer, welcome aboard. So go ahead and give us a like and subscribe, guys. That'll be incredible. Thank you very much. So let me go ahead and read the comments right here. The last saying, yes, Jasmy pumped today and it looks like it will pump soon again. No way. I mean, I bought Jasmy for a pretty good amount, then I sold off because I thought it was gonna, kind of crash. It did for a little bit, including with Banger or something like it was called, and but well, it kept going, so that is insane. AMP token, baby. It's time for the AMP token army to rise. Look at this. Look at this, everyone. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, everyone? Look at this. And this is the 5-minute. My goodness. Wow. Wow. Take a look at this, everyone. It's all for us. It is right here. I'm going to do the 1 minute even to have a more concrete view as to what's happening. Here it is, everyone. There you go. There you go. AMP token army, where you at? Where is my AMP token army in the chat? Let's go. Let's go, everyone. Want to see the AMP token army right here, right now. Those people who are staying with me, who are staying with the channel for months, holding, staking, buying the dip. Man, it's been tough. It's been tough. Let me tell you something, and one thing very clear. As an AMP token holder, it's been tough, but we are here, everyone. The last time, LOL AMP, Dennis, Jason, sold my 100K AMP for engine. Great stuff, everyone. Omar, never sold AMP, still holding. The laggy, man. That is nice. That is incredible, guys. Let me tell you something, and there's no shame, and there's the sell-off immediately, right? There's no shame in selling AMP or going out of AMP or considering something different than that. There's no shame at all. That is great. The only reason why yours truly continues with AMP is because I like the project. I like the team. Every time I see it, I'm like chills getting in my body. My spider sense is like, wow, what a project. And that is why I'm invested in AMP, right? But don't put your feelings in AMP saying like, if I sell AMP, then it's the end of the world. Absolutely not. Mommy of the Aka, welcome aboard, my man, to the live VIP member here in the chat. Awesome. Everybody, as you are getting in, if you're liking the channel, go ahead and smash the like button so YouTube does its job and starts spreading this out to more people. Thank you very much. So yeah, that is the reason. If you consider AMP token to not bring you enough profits for the last couple of months, you can absolutely do whatever you want, move to a different position, consider something, right? That is fantastic. That is great. For me, the reason why I hold it, it's because at any point in time, as you're seeing right now, the price shoots up, and when whales decide not to sell it like right now, then it makes a lot of sense and you make more money. The reason why it's selling, who in the world knows? I mean, people want to just day trade it, and it's fine. They have their own right to day trade AMP token, and that's absolutely fine. Hey, Joe. Hey, SOS, congrats, AMP Nation. There you go. So honestly, guys, I'm pretty pumped and excited to see these levels. Look at this, 4.056. Beautiful. 5 cents 6, 5 cents 6. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Finally, we have some delicious AMP token celebration price. Can we get past that? That's why we're here. That's why we're here. Miss AMP Pump will probably buy the dip. The last time is like, I know the dip is coming, so I'm not surprised. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. So while we do this one, I'm going to go ahead and open the two of them. Here you go. So we have AMP right here at the top. We're monitoring AMP very, very closely. Very, very closely. I'm very excited to see my dear AMP token making moves. Here at the bottom, I'm going to have Jasmy, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at Jasmy and see what's happening. Look at the teardown. Now, to be more fair with Jasmy, please understand this. Here it is. This is the highest price Jasmy got, and this is where we are right now. So no, so why does that happen, right? Honestly, guys, that's the same thing that happened with Algorand. You find the price of Algorand was higher, and then it was brought all the way to the bottom, crushing, and then now it's coming back up. So Jasmy, from what I remember, from what I know, is the Internet of Things, cryptocurrency, Japanese seems cryptocurrency. And when I saw it, and I'm like, wow, I mean, kind of like took me by surprise. It was something interesting. When I found it the first time when it was listed on Coinbase, I told my patrons immediately, I remember. And well, there it is, Jasmy. I bought it at about 4 cents, if I'm not mistaken. And look at this, it's already 28 cents. So I didn't hold on to them, but I still have like 14 coins. I really will wish to buy, just to tell you the truth, to kind of buy more. But well, Jasmy, guys, it is what it is. Will be top 10 crypto 100. Honestly, I'll be very comfortable by saying that could easily go back to the top 30 rank, because it was top 30 when it hit 12 cents, but that was back in June. So I mean, Anthony, top 3 coins you're looking at investing in but not yet. That is a great question. So as we continue talking about crypto, just a nice chill night, everyone who's coming in, welcome aboard. As you know, Sundays and Tuesdays are my cryptocurrency lives. Talk to me with you guys, and that's it, answering questions and seeing our cryptos, our favorite cryptos, and what's happening, right? So I think number 1 will be Solana. I added 1 Solana to my portfolio, but it's not enough. I think the other one, Anthony, will be, I mean, B-Chain. I created my my KuCoin account for B-Chain, but I don't have it yet, so I have to buy it because KuCoin is a little bit difficult, so I haven't had the time to actually buy on KuCoin. And what else? What will be the last one? Well, I think the last one, honestly, I have just 2 of them, but I want to add more. Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is skyrocketing. It's really good. Well, not skyrocketing, but doing really well, and I really like it. ASOS, I converted a lot of my AMP and ACH to Shiba Inu and others a couple of weeks ago, and I'm up more now than I have been in months. Great job. I was hoping AMP and ACH will stay low so I can buy back. Might have to wait. I mean, if you're wondering that if AMP is low, AMP is super low right now. No questions asked. It's still in the first level of the Fibonacci. No questions. It's still very cheap. Absolutely. Very, very cheap. So yeah, I think Polkadot, Solana, B-Chain, and Ethereum really looking into those heavily, everyone, heavily. So now that we see what's going on with Jasmy, let's go ahead and get close, because that's what we want, right? This is the price it looks like right now, and well, just exploded. What I will say is definitely I need to dig in a little bit more on Jasmy. I'll tell you the truth right now. Since it was listed, let me see, because it's been increasing pretty nicely so far. I'm gonna do the 1 month so we see. There you go. So go ahead and take a look at this, guys. Look at this. Here, if I'm not mistaken, it was listed. So this is October 5th or something on Coinbase. And look at this, right? Yes, it was listed here because I bought it somewhere here. And it was just steady sideways trading for a while. And now it's just increasing. So, and I don't really see too much volume. If you guys can take a look at the volume right here at the bottom, I see some massive volume due to the Coinbase listing. But honestly, this is just been the rise of the cryptocurrency. The rise of the cryptocurrency by itself. So Jasmy, it's at 30 cents right now. Let me go ahead and do some research on Jasmy when it comes of the tokenomics. Jasmy coin. Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for coming in. So 29 cents here. We have total supply of 50 billion. Oh, wow, that's a lot. Circulating supply of 4.8 billion. Oh, wait. Circulating supply of 4.8 billion. Okay. Circulating supply of 4.8 billion. That's too little. Why is it too little? Huh. Wait. Jasmine coin. Token distribution. Or token distribution. Let me see. Let me do some research here. Premier token. What I'm trying to do is, when you have a 50 billion total supply and only 4.8 is available in circulation, that means that either the founders have a lot of them, or there's some other tokens allocated for different projects. So that's what I'm flow token. No, I don't want flow token distribution. No. Well, I'll go ahead and I'm gonna see if CoinMarketCap can help me here. Jasmy. Revolver, is Amazon gonna partner with AMP? That is weird. That question is weird because AMP, you're meaning maybe Flexa network, right? AMP is the cryptocurrency, not the company. I want to make sure you guys understand well when it comes to like the definitions and everything, right? The chart is non-financial advice only, please. Of course. Thank you, Mommy of the Aka. Thank you for reminding everyone. So I'll get to that one right now. I want to explain more when it comes to AMP token very soon. Just wanted to find that for everyone who is kind of like liking Jasmy right now. Total addresses of 10,000. Kind of doing my own research here live of Jasmy. What I was on ratings. So okay, what I want to do is find how it's distributed, but I think I'll take a look at that one later. Here it is, max supply, circulating supply. Okay, here it is. So why is it 5 billion, only 10%? So it means that I just want to see how many tokens are available for the public. That's what I want to see. Because yes, it's great that it's 50 billion total, but I want to see how many are available to the public, right? That could be a red flag. That could be a red flag. Alrighty, but so far doing very, very well. Pretty awesome. Jasmy, that's what we like to see, honestly. That's what we like to see. Everybody, welcome aboard. Whew. Exciting news. Exciting news. Saitama in review, OCE, and Decentraland. Good questions, guys. Nice stuff. Alrighty. So yeah, definitely. I'll get to those ones later on. I'll definitely get to those ones later on. I'm gonna go ahead and focus on my dear AMP token, baby. So to the question, right? Like partnering with Amazon. Well, that when it comes to AMP token, back in July or so, there were some rumors about AMP token and Algorand, if I'm not mistaken, partnering with Amazon. That was just rumors, never happened. It started with Big Boy Crypto. He made a video or he made a post or something. It was pretty fun at the end of the day. But no, it was just pure speculation. Flexa network, on the other hand, is what you want to consider, or anytime you're looking for good news on AMP token, which I'll be the one honored to tell you guys here on the channel. Any good news on AMP token, of course, comes out of Flexa network, not really AMP token. AMP token, it's just a collateralization token on the Flexa network. That's it. That's all it does. I've done my due diligence extensively on AMP token, and I can tell you that definitely is not gonna be a super skyrocketing coin by its own, like by its own nature yet. Let me explain that a little bit more further so you guys understand this. The Flexa Network project, it will take a while. When you go to the Grim the Reaper, welcome aboard. When you come to, as I watched the interview, Tyler Spalding, the CEO of Flexa, had with the London Real, this is one of the best explanations as far as what AMP token does and as far as what Flexa Network is, and it's pretty cool, honestly. This is an industry, guys. The permitting cryptocurrency coins be used in merchants or at merchants elsewhere or any place throughout this earth, that is an industry that in 2021 is getting adopted. I haven't, I of course, back in 2020 and before, I will say 2019 or so, that was starting to be created. But now in 2021, it's starting to be deployed. And I see it very heavily. Flexa Network is adding more and more merchants to their repertoire. They're trying to add more people. And that's pretty cool, honestly. That is pretty cool. So in the end, you go to Walmart, in the end you go to Target, in the end you go to different places in your life and you pay with crypto. Now, can you pay with crypto on those places via Flexa Network? Not yet. So Amazon definitely. Charisse, welcome aboard. That will be insane stuff at the end of the day. So Flexa Network, so far, the good news is that they do great stuff. Hey, Brandon, the not so good news is that they don't say anything. You go to the Twitter account, guys, and I'll tell you not really much juice from them. J Melgard 2010, welcome aboard, guys. All of you who are coming into the live, I'm gonna say welcome to you from Texas. Tell me, guys, in the chat right now, where you watching us from? Go crazy in the chat. It's your chat. It's not my chat. It's your chat. So tell me right now where you watching us from. I'm here in the United States. Where you guys coming in? Texas, baby. Right here in the house. Let me say hi to you guys wherever you're watching us. 200 plus people watching, about to get to 100 likes. So let's get to 100 likes right now so YouTube does its job and start sharing this beauty elsewhere. Nice stuff. Yes, it's 4 coins. Walmart is looking at, and AMP is one of them. Cool stuff. Remember, AMP token is a token, not a coin. It's a difference. We have Portugal, New York, Florida, New York, Colorado, Bahamas. People are having fun nowadays, and we're working. Look at that. Texas, baby. I got you, bro. Portugal, North Carolina. In my room, Dennis. You're in the best place of the world. Your room. Gotta tell you. Tiago, welcome, buddy. North Carolina, H-Town, Houston, California, LA, the Great 18. Anaheim, California. All those oranges, baby. I've been there. I've been in California, and let me tell you, beautiful place. Please keep it that way. Oscar, would you send you crypto instead of stars? No, Pablo. Just you watching or just you commenting or maybe giving a like or so, that's enough. Anything else is honestly extremely well appreciated. Pennsylvania, check. Nice, Safe Moon, Detroit. There you go, guys. Welcome aboard. So, first poll of the night. How we doing? I'm token holders ready for all-time high. Are we ready for an all-time high, holders? Because honestly, I've been waiting for months. But that is why we diversify. Now, to be honest with you guys, when it comes to AMP token and Flexa Network right now, I've seen other creators and, well, they continue pushing it. They continue speaking their minds on it. They continue, voicing what they like about AMP token, and I like it. Eventually, when AMP token really gets to 10 cents and beyond, people will start looking at it a little bit closely, and we'll be ready for those days. We'll be ready. AMP token it's my one of my favorite coins or tokens, and it is the one that brought me to YouTube kind of faster when I was talking about stocks first in the channel. And this your channel. I know stocks too. I know Roth IRA retirement too. My diversified portfolio has those. And but when I found I'm talking, I'm like, oi, I mean, that looks pretty awesome. So there you go. Honestly, pretty fun, and it is just pretty cool stuff. Incredible. Is something coming on November 8th on PayPal QR report? Why CEO wanna PayPal as example in his interview? Why CEO want to take a PayPal as example? Oh, okay. I think you're saying the CEO of Flexa. He was asked, Tyler Spalding, during the London Real interview about PayPal, and was it PayPal? Yes, if I'm not mistaken, was PayPal, because there's so many companies out there that I kind of like. Here it is. PayPal, yeah, PayPal collaboration. So yes, he said that he sees PayPal as a possible partner later on. PayPal does good stuff, but they of course need somebody like Flexa Network to allow that seamlessly rails so people get their hands with cryptocurrency. So I mean, there you go. Possible collaborations, maybe that would be pretty cool. So that's where I'm talking. Still holding, still getting my earnings on Gemini. Now, here's another thing for AMP. And this one hurt. To be honest with you. Let me go ahead and cut to the chase here. Flexa capacity. Oh, we love it. We hate it. Okay, so to all of those who are watching and are investing in AMP token or want to invest in AMP token, what you have to know about this beauty is that here's where you connect your wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase, Rainbow, Trust Wallet, Argent, whichever you want, and then that's how you start your staking process, where you typically get from your 3% to 5% plus staking, right? And that's how you make passive income, which is totally great. There's only one issue. The Ethereum fees are killing us. They're really slaughtering the community. There's people who have paid more than $200 to stake. Well, today I had one of my patrons on staking, and that patron paid a lot of money to stake, and of course, like I was like, what? Because he was gonna make another move. So basically, once you pay, if you want to do it on Coinbase, I want to kind of paint the picture so you understand, right? If you do it on Coinbase, like I want to do it, well, from Coinbase Pro or the normal Coinbase, this Coinbase exchange, you have to go to the Coinbase wallet, right? So from Coinbase, whichever, you send it to the wallet, that there's one charge right there, about $20 or so. Well, now that it's on your Coinbase wallet, you have to send it here, and there's a mining fee, gas fee, and you've seen it all the way to $170, $100, $50 or so. Like, it's just insane. Well, let's say you get it on capacity, which that's the idea. That's what the founder, or not the founder, but the CEO, the co-founder of Flexa Network and CEO of Flexa Network, Tyler Spalding, said to do to the community once he was having an interview with the Facebook group administrator David, and that was great. Honestly, pretty happy conversation. But there's an issue. Like when you want to unstake from Flexa capacity, it's extremely expensive. You have to pay three fees. One to just unstake, two to transfer, and another one to transfer from capacity to your wallet, and the last one from the wallet to Coinbase. So it's just very, very, very expensive. So I've always kind of tell you guys to stake or to consider staking for AMP token, because right now the gas fees are killing us heavily. They're killing us heavily. I'm still holding my tokens on Gemini up until I find another place so they give me more AMP token interest, because this is one crazy thing, right? I haven't seen any other place but Gemini that gives interest on AMP token. So it is a pretty picky tokens to hold, easy to buy, but interesting to hold. Alrighty, I wanted to tell you that one, guys. Why not? We go here to the Etherscan and we do AMP. So we'll take a look at this. Now 6 cents, honestly, it's pretty cool. And it's increasing. 51,000. You see that? 51,000 holders. It's increasing a little bit every day, but it's going. So one of the things that I always like to mention when I have people here watching is to consider, right? If AMP token has 51,000 holders on Etherscan and the price is 6 cents or 5 cents, what will happen when the number of holders increases to 100,000, 200,000? Well, for more of a reference, really something I like to do is come here to the coin perspective and analyze. If I put AMP token in perspective, if AMP had the one crypto I like to use is XRP, because these two have the same amount of max supply, which is 100 billion. XRP has a price of $1 or so. So if AMP token had XRP's market cap of 53.4 billion, which that's a lot. Right now, AMP token is at a merely 2.7 billion, which is not bad, to be honest with you. It was at 2 or even less than 2 for a while. So now it's increasing finally. Time for AMP token to do something, right? And look at the circulating supply, almost half. So that is really good. It means that people can buy a lot of AMP token, which that is great. 40.8, that is pretty cool. So that will be an upside of 19x, more than $1. You see that? So putting and comparing this to the top levels, just to give you an idea, guys, you can make a lot of money with AMP token. And that's why I'm buying AMP. I like the project. I like the team, the technology they bring. But at the end of the day, can I make money with AMP token? Can you and I make the good cash flow with AMP token? And in my humble opinion, non-financial advice, I would like to say, I think I can. But if you ask me, Mr. Oscar, when will we get there? My answer to you is the following. I think we can break 10 cents again in the upcoming year. I agree with that. Above that, I will wait first to break 10 cents. So let's first break 10 cents in the upcoming year or so. I know it's a long time and you may forget about AMP token and you may leave to other one, and that's fine. That's completely fine. No worries. But I'm talking about AMP, and that's what I can give you right now. Of course, I'm very conservative. You really watch my videos. I like to be conservative because that's just my nature and it keeps me grounded. So I never raise any expectations to anyone and myself. So when I see the coin exploding even higher than what I expected, I'm like, yes, amazing. Oh, wow. Even AMP token gives me allergies. You see? Definitely can it hit 12 cents in a hurry? Yes, mommy. Absolutely. All altcoins are going up. Pablo Bonfire. Yep. And that is great news for AMP token, to be honest with you, like that it's also growing. And for a while, it wasn't growing at all when all the altcoins were growing. So now it seems that it's doing something we all wanted, and that is perfect stuff. Everyone, we have 300 and plus people watching. Go ahead and smash that like button right now. Thank you so very much. Consider subscribing. Welcome aboard. Renee, Philip, thank you for the super chat. Amazing stuff. Thank you. 6 billion NCR open Bitcoin purchases, top 650 banks and credit unions. Please Google it and check it out. Nice and ready. Okay. Let me go ahead and do that. Serious. Thank you so very much for your super chat, my man. Appreciate it so much. Hey, Mr. Oscar.
Oh, yeah.
So let us hear this.
$6 billion NCR opens Bitcoin purchases to 650 banks and credit unions. Please Google it and check it out.
Oh,
yes.
Yeah.
Second one.
Hey, Mr. Oscar, have you heard about McIntent? They closed a huge deal with Insight TV for the first docu-series ever about crypto.
Serious. Honestly, I haven't heard of that one, but that just tells you crypto's going mainstream. They closed a huge deal with Insight TV for the first discourse series ever on crypto. Wow. No, I haven't heard of that, but definitely that'll be pretty cool. Renee, 6 billion NCR opens Bitcoin to purchases to 650 banks and credit unions. Please Google it. I mean, what I will tell you is that now cryptocurrencies are going to, or like banks are already starting to, take a look at cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, etc. So It was just a matter of time, but at the end of the day, you and I, we're already early. We're already ahead of the game. We're already ahead of the game. I mean, we're going to be fine. Guys, thank you so very much for the super chats. Appreciate it a lot, and welcome aboard, guys. Cheers. Let's go ahead and close that poll right now as we continue talking about AMP token and poll. So that's what I want to tell you guys. Gonna go back to the price here, price action. And we have, let's see, AMP token holders ready, all-time high, 72% say yes, 26% want the price to be low. Or maybe don't even like AMP token. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. That is incredible. Stuart, will profit taken from short-term sellers knock down any foreseeable rally before getting to 8, 9, and 10? Stuart, that is exactly what I've been saying. Just wanted to understand your question, and I understood. So in my previous videos that I made last week when I was saying why are people selling, at the end of the day, bro, it's because not everybody has the unique goal. And AMP token is still not AMP token is still not like a Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. There's not really that huge community where everybody's together. That's what I'll tell you. Renee Philip, another super chat. Thank you, my man. Appreciate it. My guide, NCRs using Flexa, which you missed in my article. Okay, NCR. So let me go ahead and take a look at that one. Absolutely. And let me go ahead. Thank you so much, Renee. Let me go ahead and check that out.
My guy, NC Reese using Flexa, which you missed in the article.
Let me see. NCR. Tosi, welcome aboard. Imagine this was in early 2020. Imagine. Woo, that was very, very early. Nice. Well, oh, here it is. 6 billion NCR. Oh, it's gonna ask me for the ad blocker. Whatever. 6 billion NCR opens Bitcoin purchases to 650 banks and credit unions, and this was in June. This was June 30th, 2021. So not news, but it's still very good to notice. Thank you, Rainier. Thank you for letting me know. You know, I didn't know about that actually. So it's pretty cool that you brought it up. Appreciate it. Thank you so very much. Good to know, to be honest with you. Good to know. Hanging with Hutch. Appreciate it. Welcome. Wow. Just news coming in back and forth. Love it. My friend Oscar got a tip for you, friend. Stay on the top of ecomi, OMI, crypto if you don't know still. And when you got the time, do research on it. Yeah, I know OMI because of Andre. I know. I mean, it's another big one. I believe with NFTs too. Man, so many of these awesome projects that it's barely to keep on. It's barely to keep on, to be honest with you. Barely. But love it. Pretty good stuff. So I'm talking at this time. I'm going to go ahead and open up this a little bit more. Very good. So on this one, I'm going to do ahead the year today. I want to see everything nice and clear the way I like to analyze AMP token. So let's see. At this time, where is my RSI? And where are my Bollinger Bands? Here there it is. So oh man, look at this beauty. So the RSI is something I really like to use when it comes to AMP token. Still in the first level, but you can tell that it's ready to pop. It's ready to pop, and it's trying to pop. And now I don't see finally a lot of sales, people. It seems that people are beginning to understand the potential of AMP token. But that is what I can tell you. Kawika, welcome aboard. Thank you so very much for coming in. Appreciate it, guys. So that is good. I like to see this. since this was the biggest rise of AMP token on June the 16th, all the way here, so still not really much new. Of course, I mean, there's other cryptocurrencies exploding, but I already stated my ideas when it comes to this crypto. So far, we're doing and hovering in the first level resistance of the Fibonacci. We need to be somewhere here, everyone. We need to be somewhere here. When we get somewhere here, and if we get by the end of the year, which that, remember, those were my predictions. My predictions for AMP token, we're going to be looking at the price label. I was like, bear case scenario, 6 cents. Normal case scenario, about 7 cents. And bullish case scenario, somewhere around 9 cents or so. Now, those are, and now you see it right here, those are, in the words of any AMP token holder or long-term holders, those are very optimistic numbers, because we've seen over and time again how AMP token just comes back down. You see? But hoping that AMP token can finally do something, start hovering around these numbers. Okay? Alrighty, everyone. That's what I had for you about AMP token, baby. Let's go ahead and turn our page to Shiba Inu and Saitama and other ones like those. So where we are with Shiba Inu, I don't even see the price right here. There's the price. I'm gonna do 5-day. There it is. So what happened with the price of Shiba Inu after the Kraken? Oh, that Kraken, guys. So I have more people right now watching. Oh, boys, you guys gonna like Kraken now? You guys like Kraken or don't like Kraken? Because let me tell you something, they played a number on us. They played a number on us. Kraken today really being very funny. I'll tell you, very funny. Happy Tuesday, Lena. Thank you so very much. Appreciate it. XYO can make a lot of money in short-term games. Really? That's cool. In your opinion, what is the most undervalued altcoin hanging? I'll say, I mean, big altcoin, right? You want altcoin? Because at first one, I'll tell you Bitcoin, since Bitcoin is the one that's getting the most press, therefore the more, like the most overvalue and undervalue. Hey, Sandra, welcome aboard. Let me explain. Because everybody knows, like a lot of people, when they say crypto, they understand what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is always around the news all day long. So if China opens their arms to crypto, Bitcoin explodes easily above $100,000. If the United States regulates cryptocurrency in a more for Bitcoin way, Bitcoin goes all the way to the moon. So that's the first and number one. Even though Bitcoin is really not, Bitcoin hasn't taken off yet to a new, very bullish all-time high, I still believe Bitcoin can run past the $100,000, therefore making it close to a $2 trillion cryptocurrency. Bitcoin will be. Next, Ethereum for sure. Ethereum will be another bullish one that if Bitcoin runs, Ethereum will follow, putting it at close to passing $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 per one Ethereum. And those are the two of them that I will tell you are pretty cool, right? Let me tell you something, guys. In the description down below of this live, you're going to see, if I click here in the description, you're going to see get up to 15% Bitcoin and Ethereum APY on Haru. So all of you who are watching, guys, let me tell you my experience with that. Aaron, welcome aboard. For all of those who are Bitcoin and Ethereum, or Ethereum in this case holders, I went ahead out of my way to find, because I didn't like what Gemini was giving me. I didn't like what others were giving me. And I found, I believe, if not the best way to get a lot of APY for Ethereum, because I have two Ethereum. So I'm getting about I can get up to 14.5% APY on Ethereum, guys, which that is a lot. For that, I'm using Haru investing. and I became, I became part of the referral program. And if you use my link below, it's gonna pretty much direct you to the right page from the right company, and you will be able to get, if you want, up to 15% APY on Bitcoin and 14.5, if I'm mistaken, on Ethereum. That is amazing. That is amazing. So I'm getting it, and don't worry, I already did all my research on how to investing, and they're legit, because that sounds really like super huge. That those news sound like too good to be true, right? So how to investing, they are secured by BitGo. So let me tell you, and let me kind of present to you to all my how to investing. Here it is. Where is it? howtoinvesting.com. So if you guys are Ethereum or Bitcoin holders, this is the one that I will tell you, protected by BitGo. I really like it. And as of now, they have only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. And later on, they could even add way more. And look at this. They have how to earn, where you get at minimum 6.2 Bitcoin or 6% Ethereum. Then they have how to earn plus, where you can even get for 360 days on a temporary lock basis, 15%, 14.3%, and so. Really like it. Really like it. I'm in Texas and it was available for me. I don't think I wouldn't know if they have a restriction specifically on a state. So you guys will have to check that out. But to be honest with you, really, really like it. Howtoinvest.com, highly recommend it. Check my link down below in the description for How to Investing. I will really highly recommend it for you guys. Using my link, that'll be even better. I wanted to show you that, guys, when I had already invested for a while. So I started with Haru for like 2.5 weeks now, and I've been using it so far. You use it here from your application on your phone. Nothing yet. Very, very easily and nicely. You transfer from Coinbase Pro or so, whichever broker you want, to Haru. Gets there fairly quickly. Like my Bitcoin took like 3 minutes, and my Ethereum took like 1.5 minutes from the broker to the wallet on Haru. And as soon as it gets there, you are starting to earn the minimum, and you can change that and then earn the best. That is pretty cool, to be honest with you. So you have a question on how to invest in, just let me know and I'll help you guys out. But check the link in the description below. Alrighty. Perfect. So price of Shiba Inu at this time, everyone, not making moves. This is, of course, let me go ahead and take a look at this here. 407, this is, of course, Kraken. It happened. Puerto Rico here, nice. Is Shiba going up? Randall, well, Shiba right now definitely could go up, but still is trading sideways. Nothing much going on with Shiba Inu besides the burning of tokens. The Shiboshis are out there. They're working on, improving the ecosystem. So that is all great news. It will eventually come to a point where the price will have to get a little bit more close to reality, taking away the hype. That makes total sense. But as of now, still 406. Not really something beyond, what we all know when it comes to Shiba Inu. So now, this is Shiba. Why don't we go ahead and take a look at the cryptocurrencies I know people want to hear too. Let's go for Saitama wise, because I know some people want Saitama, and I'm going to give you Saitama. And Saitama basically wants to help people know investing. That's I think what you get when you go to the website right here. So let's go ahead and go to the main website. Fostering the future of finance. So where are the Saitama holders and investors? Right here in the chat. Let's go ahead and tell me right now. So we'll go ahead and quickly tell them what Saitama is doing. Our mission, or their mission, is to educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. This is really appealing. I mean, they understand who they're talking to. So the Saitama token, our token had a fair launch on Ethereum ERC20 network 31st of May 2021. And it's a passive income stream. 2% of every transaction with Saitama is deducted and redistributed to our pool of holders. Okay, deflationary currency, an additional 2% of the amount of all transactions is taken out of circulation. Okay, so burning, those tokens, getting them out of circulation. So definitely Saitama price increase in value in time. We have already started with 43% of the supply burn. Anti-whale trap. Alec, welcome aboard. Everyone is expected to make a profit, but we want to make profit for everyone. Saitama is coded in a way that prevents big wallet holders, whales, from trying to manipulate the price in their favor. So all of this makes, they do make a lot of sense if you're trying to approach and sell a community or a cryptocurrency community on Twitter or so. Makes total sense. Caliber Crypto, what do you think on Doge loan? Next Shiba no cap. I know, right? Burn percentage. So this is what we see right now, the ecosystem. Not yet much. Saitama is almost there. So, well, here's my thoughts on when it comes to Saitama. Everything seems to, what is the roadmap? That is the roadmap. So it seems that is what's going on right now with Saitama. This is the roadmap for Saitama, which is stage number 1, token fair launch. Stage number 2, stage number 3 is 80,000 holders, listing on small exchanges, new partnerships, gear up major exchange list. So it does seem that Saitama could come soon to Coinbase. Mommy of the Aka, AM token. There you go. So, let's go ahead and take a look at this, which is like their vision. We believe transparency is a key factor for the success and longevity of our project, and therefore we are committed to a series of measures aimed at making Saitama the most transparent project in the alt crypto market. Well, if I'm not mistaken, this is Japanese, and the name sounds Japanese, in my opinion. The team, and much more. So, here it is, current distribution of tokens. I like to see that. So in circulation, we have 45%, initial liquidity, 4%, and burn. So, okay. So these are all in circulations for Saitama. And there it is. And of course, NFTs, typical. They look like NFTs. Yes, they are NFTs. All right. So going back to the price for Saitama and some of the tokenomics, it's like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 6 zeros. So Shiba Inu is 4 zeros. Saitama is 6 zeros. Not bad. And there's like what? Is this 100 quadrillion? So hard for me to read even that, but it does seem like quadrillions, typical. And now it seems to be half of that, according to what they just said. So, Saitama masks. No, yeah, there's a lot going on when it comes to Saitama. I gotta tell you, I understand that very well. But I will tell you at the end of the day, everyone, I've learned my lesson. When it comes to this type of cryptocurrency. Let's go ahead and take a look at Jasmy. There it is. I see, guys, you are saying that it's ready to take off. We're gonna take a look at here right now for you guys. Jasmy here. There it is. And it seems that my community right now, because I take a look at your post, let's have Jasmy and XYO. For some reason, you guys want to take a look at XYO. I'm going to give you XYO. How about that? I'm going to give you XYO. There it is. I'll do 5 days. There's XYO. All yours, everyone.
Yeah.
You see? Oh, yeah, baby. Thank you, Carly Real Crypto. $1.99 super chat. Appreciate it, my friend. So there you go. This is Jasmy so far. Nice stuff. We have a price right here, which this seems to be the higher price, 29 cents. And for XYO seems to be 4 cents. So cheers to that, everyone. Welcome aboard to the live. My name is Oscar Ramos. We're talking crypto. We're talking crypto investing and more. Any questions? The chat is yours. Make sure you like and subscribe that. Please go ahead and do so. Thank you if you want to hear more about me and my opinion when it comes to investing. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you so very much. Welcome aboard. So I honestly, I'm very thirsty today. Very, very thirsty. Oh, delicious. Delicious. Saitama lost to 0 today. Oh, that's pretty nice. Let me tell you. I'm picking up value and bull run coming up. Ally, we're ready. Ali, we're ready. We are ready for AMP token, to be honest with you. We're ready. New here, Peyton. Welcome aboard. So, Saitama and Elon and Kishu and all of those names, and including Shiba Inu, at the end of the day, guys, my opinion on those ones is if you have $100 to spare, $200 to spare, $1,000 to spare, $10,000 to spare, $100,000 to spare, and hence the spare, then makes total sense to deploy some risky gambling money to see if you can make even more money. You see what I'm saying? That's what I'll tell you. That's what I'll tell you. In my case, I oftentimes have $50 to spare, $100 to spare or so, and boom, I put that money in high risk investments. My main portfolio has nothing to do with those names, but why not? Because it's fun, because it's what people are doing, because it gives you the greatest returns possible, right? You see right now Jasmy, you see right now XYO. XYO to the moon. Nice stuff. Appreciate it, guys. What is in the cups? Colors. Classic, delicious filtered water by my filtering machine. Or my filtering, kind of like just bottle. Nice. No, but honestly, very cool. Very cool when it comes to this stuff. Very, very, very cool. XYO back Coinbase, yes. So at this time, I mean, pretty cool. Let me see XYO in the year today. I always like to see the year today. Here's the year today. So looking at XYO on Coinbase on September 1st, I don't think Coinbase is going to help me too much on XYO. I need Tether. What? No, I need more. XYO, Coinbase. Wait. XYO. I need something that's going to give me way more. Nope. They don't have more XYO here on TradingView. Typical. But anyway, the higher price for XYO seems to be around 5 cents, and that happened on September 10. So what you're seeing right now with XYO, that happened just yesterday, right? Because the price was at 2 cents, and now of course it rose all the way to 5 cents, and that is why people are going a little bit crazy. That's what you guys wanted to know about XYO. Makes total sense. Makes total sense. You guys are informing me about AMP token. Let's take a look at our dear and near AMP. So far, nothing. So far, nothing. It was coming close to 6 cents, but it's back at 5.5. It's back at 5.5. Not much going on, let me tell you. Not much going on. Ethereum. I gotta tell you guys, I'm super excited for Ethereum. You have no idea. ETH USD 4,600, guys. Look at this rise. Oh, I do have to mention Ethereum here first and foremost. Look at this run from Ethereum, guys. Wow. The highest price Ethereum has had. Wait, this is not Ethereum. Where is Ethereum? Here is Ethereum. Guys, look at Ethereum running. Boys and girls, look at this. Look at this. Ethereum, baby. We love it. All new all-time high for Ethereum. If we do the Fibonacci retracement, now we are in Fibonacci extensions as soon as we do this. And look at this, everyone. Wow. First extension right here. So to get to the 1.6 to 6,000, that will be the first level on the Fibonacci extensions. That will be 6,000 something here. Are we gonna get to 6,000 for Ethereum? The answer is absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. And I'm very excited. That is why when you see Ethereum down, you buy. I remember buying Ethereum before this pump right here, and it was insane. Before, anytime you see Ethereum down, you buy, guys, because it's still one of the most used, reliable blockchains to build dApps, decentralized applications, smart contracts, and much more. Ethereum, everyone, I'll give you Ethereum right now. Ethereum Classic is that dispute they had back in the day, and that's why we have Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. I'm not really into Ethereum Classic or so, but I like the normal Ethereum, gotta tell you. The one that it continues improving with forks and everything, that is a normal Ethereum. Ethereum Classic seems to be the one that is just being the main idea back in the day when they added Ethereum. Ethereum Classic is the original one. Ethereum, the one that I'm showing you right now, is the one that improves over time. And now, of course, with Ethereum 2.0, that is the idea when transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake. That's competing with Cardano, with Algorand, with Solana, with many others out there. That is why you want to put your money on Ethereum as soon as possible if you have a time and a chance. And if you do, check my links down below for how to investing so you get even 15%, close to 15% on Ethereum. Man, we're making money. We are making money. Nice and easy, guys. Nice and easy. And welcome aboard to the fans and everyone here in the chat. Super love to see this, guys. Super love to see this. So there's, of course, an announcement that I have to that I want to share with you guys when it comes to my portfolio. I think this is something pretty spectacular for you guys, or pretty cool that I want to share with you. So you think about it if you want to mimic it. Hey, Kristen, welcome aboard, buddy. Good to see you. Hex, how you doing, buddy? Welcome, welcome. I'm gonna have Ethereum right here, and I'm gonna show at the bottom. I'm gonna show right here, AMP. Here it is. So AMP is also doing a number right here, so we'll show it right here. So far, 5.5, baby. I'm talking doing fine, which that's something we would like to hear all day long. There it is. What I want to tell you guys when it comes to my portfolio is that I have reached a good amount of Cardano, 5,000 Cardano. Reached 5,000 Cardano this week. Very happy and excited to tell you why. Because I believe in foundation type of crypto investing. That means that you put a number in the cryptocurrencies that you want, and then you reach that number and you go to the next one, and you go to the next one, you go to the next one. Of course, these cryptos being long-term buying and holding, forgetting about them. Those are the type of investing I love to do. Charlie, welcome aboard. Sandbox also doing well. Love to see that. Sandbox. NFTs, games, man, those are going to do very well, especially right now with Facebook Metaverse. But yeah, we have my foundation for AMP token, which is only 100,000 AMP token, and for Cardano, 5,000 Cardano, which that translates right now to around $10,000. So the next one I'm going to do is my dear and near Algorand. So once Cardano and Algorand rise all the way to the moon, today I posted a video about Algorand. That is why and when yours truly is going to be flying of happiness, because not only Algorand and Cardano allow you to stake and create passive income for later on, they will eventually rise. They will eventually rise. And I believe this is the perfect way and segue for me to tell you what one of the best AMAs I've had. Ask me anything. I watch the entire, I'm going to go to Twitter. I watched the entire Charles Hoskinson AMA. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I told what is this? Oh no, Elon, you did not. What are you doing, Elon? Elon Musk retweeted, how about my little Doge Floki? He makes a... Oh, no way. Now Floki? Man. Can we have some AMP tokens one day? I'm just kidding. All these other knockoffs, Floki, Shiv, Coke, are just a distraction from Doge. Man, what is... Elon doing now? Talking about Floki. Man, tuition is in Dogecoin and you can get a discount if you have a dog. He's trolling, man. He's trolling. Oh boy. Elon Musk as always, right? Elon Musk as always. We shouldn't be surprised. We shouldn't be surprised, let me tell you. So, for all of my Cardano holders, where's my Cardano fam right now? My Cardano army. I watched this entire AMA, and let me tell you, this guy is a genius. Of course, you can agree or disagree with him. That's totally fine. But I watched it all, and I now better understand what Cardano is, what his company input output is, and I gotta tell you guys that I couldn't feel more excited by holding all those Cardanos. Cardano is definitely one of those projects that you wanna aspire to buy cheap, because Cardano is not a project that will collapse. Cardano is not a project that it will rug pull. Cardano is not a project that it will dissatisfy its members if you become very engaged in the ecosystem. Cardano later on, and when it's finally at its true final Saiyan form, using some Goku references or DVC references, I believe it's gonna be pretty powerful. These guys, of course, a lot of the people asking him in this AMA, Ask Me Anything, they're asking him, when are you gonna burn ADA? And I cannot tell you, it's so fun the reaction he has when it comes to, I'm telling you, I'm not burning. That's not how it works. Why are you chasing price instead of vision and work? And that really connects with me. You guys who are here watching my channel, I'm one of those type of investors who, of course, I love to see a good price and make money, but I see cryptocurrencies as a good, nice retirement, not to my 65, let me tell you and clarify, not to my 65 years old, no, forget it, but to my 30s, mid 30s, early 40s, mid 30s or so, because guys, if Cardano, Algorand, and I'm talking Bitcoin, Ethereum may explode very nicely in the next couple of years, will probably be ready to retire. And these are cryptos, guys, as he says in this AMA. And this is very important, guys. I know my channel has not many viewers or whatever it is, but what I'm saying is, take a look at next year's top 10 on CoinMarketCap. Then take a look again at the following year, and at the following year, and at the following year, and at the following year. Which cryptos that you see today will remain? Which cryptos that you see today will continue in the top 10 or 20? Right now, there's a lot of hype. There's a lot of dogs. There's a lot of listings and whatever. But which cryptos will continue performing year over year over year over year, right? If you're an investor, beginner or advanced, I'm talking to you, right? And that's what he's saying. And I love that. I love it. Makes total sense. We buy SPY, Coca-Cola, Berkshire Hathaway, Microsoft, Apple, the NASDAQ. We buy all those ETFs, mutual funds. I'm talking in stock market terms, because we know they are long terms and they will hold value for a very long time. I'm trying to buy cryptos that have that long-term value. Once I put my money and I start staking, you just have to wait, sit down, relax, eat popcorn, and make yourself a millionaire. Okay? So I hope that is clear, because honestly, guys, I couldn't be talking more the truth tonight. I couldn't be talking more the truth. So there it is, everyone. Honestly, for all my ADA holders, you have to watch this video. It is amazing. To me, I really liked it. Almost 2 hours, pero I said, but in Spanish. My brain is bilingual, you know? But yeah, honestly, it is insane. Oh, look, nice sell-off for I'm talking. Well, not super sell-off, but I mean, it is what it is. Typical I'm talking. Typical. That's why in the I'm talking community, we say, oh, 6 cents, but tomorrow or like in 5 hours, it's going to be back to 4. take a dive into Saitama Junior. I already did a couple minutes ago. Yes. When it comes to Saitama, when it comes to Kishu Inu, Floki, and all the names of dogs, you just either have to be early or be very smart at buying and selling. Let me tell you, to make the most money. Cheers, everyone. Nice. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think that will tell you the truth. Guys, if you're watching the channel right now, if you like it, if you're understanding what I'm saying, if not, the chat is yours. Please go ahead and like the video right now. Consider subscribing and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it, and welcome aboard. Kraken tweeted about Shiba. Is it the one that I should show you, or is it a new one? Let's go ahead and take a look. Binance just added another one. Let's see. So Kraken, is it the one I'll show you? I think they haven't tweeted. Yeah, it's the one I show you. Yeah, that is how we started talking this live, talking about, oh boy, people are not gonna be very happy, right? So Binance.us will support Stellar XLM network upgrade. So that is pretty good news, I'll tell you. Stellar, why not? Chris, he is 100% correct, but the newer generation will always seek for the quick come up because they don't like delay, gratification, invest for long term and make that money short term. Chris, you are a mature investor. I can smell it from here. You understand the name of the game. Yeah, he's 100% correct in what he says. I like it. But of course, the newer generation, they see the cheese. They want quick and flips, instant gratification. Totally agree. Trinity, how you doing? Oh, Jasmy creeping. Yeah, it happens, guys. You see it up, you see it down. Jasmy, go back to Jasmy once again. To 30, nice. It went to 34. Wow, Jasmy's doing a number. Guys. And I'm talking is collapsing. Oh yes, I'm talking. I miss you in the 5 cents too. You're going back to 5 very quickly. Very quickly. Honestly. Sadly, I don't have really too much money to get into new positions. I put everything already. So I'm already very solid with my positions right now. But buy and hold, baby. That's what I'll tell you. When you get new positions, those are the cryptos that you really want to take a look at. Let me tell you. Let me see Jasmy's. Oh yeah, I told you that it was 50 billion and 4.8 billion. Yes, I remember this one. So Jasmy is supposed to be an ERC20 according to CoinMarketCap, if I'm not mistaken. Here it is. Jasmy, where you at, baby? Where you are, beautiful Jasmy? Shiba Inu, by the way, at position 9 with 37 billion. Dogecoin at position 10 still. Polkadot still at position 8. There's not much going on. Cardano, going down from position 3 to position 6 because it hasn't done much yet. Now Solana is higher than Cardano. Wow. And I'm so happy I have one Solana, to be honest with you. I bought one Solana at $200 and now I'm making money. Nice. I knew it. In a way, I knew it that Solana was going to come all the way up. Honestly. Was going to come up. And now it's here. Mommy of the Aka, bounce token. Let's go ahead and take a look at bounce token right now. Is it flying? I wouldn't be bounce token. Typically, it's not here. Bounce. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at that one. Here are the charts. Bounce token auction. Is this one a new one on Coinbase? Smells like yes. I think I've seen it. Yes. I saw bounce token. Very I remember that one. Let me see. 7 days. Okay. Probably was added soon or so. So the idea, of course, is that when you see a cryptocurrency added on Coinbase, because of the volume that it brings, you will see a pretty good amount of buying pressure and the price could come up. That'll tell you. My thoughts on Doge Elon. I'll tell you, that is another one, same as Gucci Inu, Kishu Inu, Saitama, or so SafeMoon, that the community is what matters there. If the community is strong, the price could come up, but as soon as there's a new favorite in town, the community could slow down, and that will jeopardize the future of the coin. I don't care if Elongate or Elon Coin, whatever, or Saitama, they have an amazing vision, so inspiring, whatever. These are cryptos that have extreme huge token supply, and the way they work is by adding more holders, by creating a marketing campaign, by creating this hype, the community. That's the way they do things, right? Who is the exception? Shiba Inu. Because Shiba Inu has all of that, but Shiboshis, Shiba Swap has Shibarium soon, and so, I mean, those have way more utility than your typical and regular, I would say, meme coins. You see that? Makes total sense. I'm talking end of the year price, June. Hopefully getting bullish case scenario above 7 cents. I'll tell you, above 7 cents. I'm putting it at. Wow, Jasmy doing a number. That's nice. So for all of you who are looking for some day trading, weekly trading, taking a look at Jasmy wouldn't be a bad idea. Definitely wouldn't be a bad idea to take a look at those ones for sure. Nice. Let me go back here. What do we have here? Besides this one, I'm gonna go ahead and refresh my Twitter. So I'm gonna close this beauty. Bounce token. Pretty powerful stuff, let me tell you guys. Pretty powerful stuff. Gotta tell you, pretty powerful stuff. Shiba Inu Army. There's something new here on Shiba Token. No. So, what was this? Oh yeah, it's just the new listing. But no, other than that, all good. All good, nice and easy, guys. All good, nice and easy, I gotta tell you. Last but not least, let's go back to Shiba. And here it is. Back to the second Fibonacci. You see? So here, this was where it's my text. Here it is. This was Kraken. Kraken listing fail. There it is. That's it. And this is the current week price prediction. So this is my current week price prediction. Somewhere around, I'm gonna go ahead and do first page. This is my current week price prediction around this Fibonacci for Shiba Inu. So this is the Kraken listing fail, definitely around my two scenario, but the current week price prediction somewhere around these two. I'll tell you right now here. So it's less than 407. That is what we're looking for Shiba Inu. When Kraken does decide to list it and finally comes, that will bring a lot of buying from big holders, whales, and just a new market volume. I could see it come all the way up to, nearly as much as 408, 40, high 7. Somewhere around those lines, because as I explained in my earlier live stream, Kraken is not really a big contender. Coinbase already has Shiba Inu, so not looking for a super high pump when Kraken decides to add it. Got it? The last damn, can't believe people got rug pulled with this Insquik token. The movie has one winner, the scammer, and the winner of crypto. Honestly, you are totally right. Yes, sad but true. Sad but true. It is what it is, let me tell you. Alrighty, so that's what I'll tell you guys. Like, wow, insane stuff, to be honest with you. At this time, what I think, very, very loud. At this time, but I'll think so far, the cryptocurrencies, some of them are doing a number. The rest are just steady but surely. The rest are just steady but surely. And we like them that way. We like them that way. My Cardano and Algorand are sleeping right now, are sideways trading, and I massively invest in those. Ethereum, on the other hand, is rising, so I'm making money. AMP token is rising a little bit, so I'm making money. And what else? What else I have? Chainlink is already making me money. Solana is already making me money. Anchor is already making me money. So you see, I'm building my foundations. That's what I'll recommend you. If you're watching this for the first time, build your foundations. Take a look and write down a list and say, hey, these are the cryptocurrencies I want to buy because of this, and say how many you want and get to that level and close your eyes to the rest and get to that level first. I kind of look like the guy from Hellboy, right? The last M. Thank you so very much for that. Awesome super chat. Get some delicious water. Oh yeah.
Get some delicious water.
And brother, here it is. Because of you. Thank you, my man. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. There you go. There you go. I forgot that you can stake directly with Coinbase. Yes, you can, but I'll recommend you the wallet. Thank you the last time, bro. Cheers to you from Texas. So as I was saying, guys, honestly, get your foundations, because once you least expect, once they jump, you'll be in heaven. You'll be really, really, really happy. Because remember, guys, in 2017 and in 2018, individuals, not you, but some other individuals got Ethereum at less than $50, at less than $500, at less than $100. And right now, those same people are chilling, let me tell you. Those people are just enjoying life. Do you want to be part of that group? Then build foundations in cryptocurrencies that have vision, future, and utility. Alrighty? The last time, LOL. Nice. That's what I did with Bet. Satan. There you go. There you go. Love it. These coins are about to pop. We're ready for them. Because right now, remember how last week everything was pulling down, and who was up? Who was up? Shiba Inu. And the huge hype came up. But now that Shiba is down or just like loading, people, the other ones are booming up. So you do have to understand these trade-offs in crypto. They happen all the time. Jasmy to the moon. Jasmy. So let's see once again the dear Jasmy, and coming back to 31 cents. Jasmy is not giving us a break. So yeah, some people have Jasmy and they are making the money right now. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Beautiful stuff. Some of the Fibonacci right now, and that is Jasmy. You see that? So definitely for upcoming live streams, we'll take a look at Jasmy more closely. Cody Bennett, welcome, bro. It's been a while. Great to see you, Cody. Que pasa, Oscar? Jasmy's killing it. We're talking about Jasmy right now, and yes, it's doing a number. I have about 14 Jasmy coins, and well, I'm right now making money. Yeah, probably not much, right? But I'm still, making good money so far. Just to know that the Jasmy opened up on Coinbase at the same price as AMP, and that's already passing it. That's insane. Mommy of the Alca. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate it so much for that amazing donation. VIP member in the house. We have Cody and Mommy in the house. Good to be here, man. Of course. Great to see you, buddy. Honestly, moderators in the chat, we love to see you guys here. Thank you, Mommy. Appreciate it. Just for that, let's go ahead and drink some good water. So, everyone, once again, listen to this, guys. Once again, understand this. Right now, Jasmy's killing it, right? Jasmy's killing it. Is it because it's the greatest coin ever? Is it because Jasmy is going to transform the world? No. And I'm not taking anything from Jasmy, but just understand the basic cryptocurrency psychology, economics, engineering, math, and much more, philosophy. Some of them are cooling off, some of them are boosting up. How do you want to make the most money in crypto? By buying when they are quiet and nobody is talking about it and everything is seems to be sleeping. That's when you buy. Then when everyone's buying it right now, you see the buying pressure here at the bottom. That's when you can give it a try and may buy a DCA position little by little, and then you see how your entry matches your gains. But I always like to play this one, and it works. All my cryptocurrency portfolios are up. All my cryptocurrency portfolios are really doing a number because I buy when nobody's buying. When there's blood on the street, when it's ruby red, that's when you buy. Then when it pops, you chilling, bro. You chilling, to be honest with you. Q4 is exciting. Cody, yes, I know, to be honest with you. It's just barely, Q4, we started it on October. On October, all Shiba Inu holders made bunch of money. Sadly, I don't belong to that group because, I mean, you guys already know, right? But yeah, oh man, I hate it. But anyway, I learned my lesson with Shiba Inu, and now I'm here. Better late than ever. Hold on to your butts the next 60 days. Of course, I got 1K Jasmy. Nice. There you go. There you go, guys. But Algorand, Pablo Bonfard. Yes, I do have my Algorand. I'm getting it. I'm staking it. And I know soon. I'm new here from Fremont, California. I'm a strong Shiba holder. Shiba will pay you the price, the amount you pay for it. So just hold on it. Shiba to Mars. Welcome aboard. Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to the live stream, my man. Thank you so very much. But yeah, honestly, guys, these are the opportunities we want to see, and that is the reason how we go and make the money nowadays. Let me go ahead and go to Coinbase. Go to Coinbase and see what is popping. And while we watch that, I'm going to go ahead and click and close all of this. And let's go to the bubbles. Let's go to the bubbles and see what is happening right in the last hour. 5% negative. AMP, Jasmy, 10%. So definitely, you see that. You guys see that right now. You guys see that right now. It's doing well and people are buying it. Solana, 3.9%. Matic is doing well. So I have Matic, I have Jasmy, I have AMP, and I have Solana. And they are all moving right now. You see? They're all moving right now. Uniswap, AVX, Mana. So it's all, in a well doing. Okay, so let's see the last week. Mana, 249% Mana completely. And Sand, so Sandbox, Loopring, I believe that's the one. Shiba Inu is just 41%. So you see how it all changes. AMP token 15% the last week. I cannot even believe it, let me tell you. I cannot even believe it. It's so cool. It's so cool. So what is the moral of the story? Think future. Think future. Think future. I remember recalling a conversation that Jeff Bezos had, and Jeff Bezos said, or Bezos, how people call it oftentimes, when he talks to his executives, all his executives and himself, they have meetings that oftentimes they refer 1 year from now, 2 years from now. It's never about what's happening right now, but what's gonna happen in the next couple of years. So when you come to cryptocurrencies, that is what you want to take a look at. And Mana, Sand, these are the projects that are, leading the chart right now. But later on, you can see them down. So it's just a bounce. In the last month, Jasmy, what in the world? Look at this. The last month, Jasmy, more than 1,000%. That is insane. Let me tell you the truth. Wow. Because the last Jasmy was at 1 cent, and right now it's at 26 cents. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for coming into the live. Nice stuff. So you see that? Jasmy, incredible, huge, massive. Shiba Inu's at 689%. So Jasmy, beauty. Jasmy is the one that is kicking it. So Jasmy. Cody Bennett, prepare for adoption and prepare for gaming and prepare for the metaverse. This growth is going to fly past us. Plan ahead and look long. Agree. So I think what I'm going to do with my next paycheck is put my money in NFT gaming virtual reality. To all my viewers right now, that is where we're going to be heading next. Okay? Now you know. Now you know. Savage, how do you know what coin will skyrocket before it does? It's very difficult oftentimes because it's also manipulated by whales. But I will say I know Cardano, Solana, and Algorand will do well later on. So that's why I'm buying right now. Eventually, when they do, I'll make the money. You see? We'll make the money. And if we go to Coinbase, let's go ahead and do the trade. There you go. And Bitcoin, Ethereum doing fantastic. Lava, welcome aboard. Love, here's the star you guys deserve for following. Thank you so very much. And for some reason, it's always taking a big lot of time here on my computer. We'll change my computer soon, guys, with the monies that we get, of course, from all these great cryptos. There you go. Decentraland is negative 14%, but still it's almost $3, so that is pretty awesome. And right now, who is winning? Origin Trail. What is this? Have no idea. But Jasmy is also pumping at 31 cents. And we have all of this. So all of this, guys, I'm going to go ahead and mark this so you see it. There it is. So this one, all of this, 3, you will see it. You will see them down possibly in a couple of days. In a couple of days, you will see this down because it's just, they got listed. That's it. Okay. This, you will see it down later on. I'm not saying that they're bad investments, but it's just the way that it works here on Coinbase pump. Now, Jasmy is doing something pretty cool. So Jasmy will be a positive one, right? XYO is doing well. So XYO, nice. Solana, nice. Polygon and app token, beautiful. We love to see that. So, I mean, this is the altcoin season. This is not yet, I will say, the altcoin season we all expect, but definitely starting to form. It's starting to look very nicely for us. You see that? Altcoin season is starting to look very good too. AMP is a long-term play, but a huge play. Definitely, my man. Absolutely. Alrighty, and Alchemy Pay, of course. How can I forget about Alchemy Pay? Yes, I'm gonna end with Alchemy Pay, guys. So Alchemy Pay, I was reading today, and of course, they now have a blockchain deal. They just had a nice conference meeting. The CEO spoke. They presented, you know, their ecosystem, payment ecosystem, all the wallets, all the currencies, all the things that they accept, and so ACH still another big one to hold for long term. So you see, long term everywhere. So why? Because you and I happen to be born and live during a transition from demand to blockchain, from governments and the way that before everybody was done to blockchains. And it's happening at the time we speak right now. So the fact that you have, or the fact that I have a couple thousands of ADAs, check the price in 10 years, I know I'll be blown away. I know I'll be blown away. Same with AMP token, same with Ethereum, same with Mana, same, because things are changing so fast. And back in the day when Bitcoin was $1 and some people sold it at $5 because they said, hey, it's gonna come back to $1. Now look at the price. You see, El Salvador has one of the biggest wallets, or one of the most winners wallets in Bitcoin, because they are buying. If El Salvador is buying Bitcoin, now take a look and examine yourself. Alrighty. Wow. We went on a massive roller coaster with different cryptos. Honestly, this is a good chat. This is a good review, we went over many different ones, guys. But this is my summary. Whew. My summary is altcoin season is barely starting. I see it. I'm very happy we started positions on the cryptocurrency market. For my stocks, my index fund investors, my Roth IRA investors, your boys truly now just has my Roth IRA and Fidelity account. My Robinhood, I have moved all those monies to the cryptocurrency market. So I'll easily have now 50% crypto and 50% stocks. Not bad. I feel very bullish on crypto. And right now, there's no better time to start crypto, to be honest with you. So far, AMP token doing great. Ethereum doing great. Bitcoin doing great. Shiba Inu still holding strong. You guys, that's what I want to tell you here today. And honestly, thank you so much for coming to the live tonight. Here Tuesdays, I'll see you, of course, all of you on Sunday at around this time. And during the week, we may have some other surprise live streams talking about Shiba Inu or other tokens that are exploding. Just catch me later. If not, check the videos here on the channel. Everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Cody Mommy, thank you so very much for coming in. That's the moderator and as the VIP members. Appreciate that a lot. If you have any other questions, check my links down below. My link pin here on the messages is my Patreon. So if you want to become a member, talk to me on Discord. I'm all yours right there. Appreciate your time, guys. Thank you so much for your awesome comments. Bye, Eugene. Bye, Phenom. Bye, The Last Damn. Bye, Mommy. Amazing stuff. So let's go ahead and get the bread, guys. That's what we're called to do. Once again, one nice refresh here on CoinMarketCap. Seeing all the new prices here. And what we have here is this oh, there you go. Wow, I really like how YouTube maintains connection. So I just refreshed my live and I thought I was gonna kill it, but no, I did not kill it. So that is nice. Wow, that is insane. Okay, my life is still living. Okay, that's good. That is insane, guys. That is insane. I'm very happy because I'm kind of like always, there you go. Welcome to the live chat. Okay, now it's still the same. Anyway, guys, I'll see you next time. Be blessed, God bless, and be safe. I'll see you. Catch you later. Peace. Ciao, guys. We did it. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Peace.